Alright guys, so I just wanted to quickly show you this tutorial for this hair because I received a lot of questions on Instagram. So here it is here. It is from Wow African. I have the stats and different things on the screen for you guys to check out. I went ahead and started at its natural color, bleached it, washed it, and then I dyed it. I used Adore hair color in Wild Cherry. And then I just went ahead and decided to apply it using Bold Hold hair cream. I've never really used this before, but it is a really sturdy hair glue, so I really like that. As far as the wig goes, I did a little bit of customization of the hairline, a little bit of plucking. I did a little bit of customization of the hairline, but it already comes pre-plucked. So that was pretty much all that I've done to the wig so far. I will show you guys when I reinstall it, because I do plan to reinstall it because I want to bring the edges back a little bit, but it is up there so good with that Bold Hold. I did use about a good 3 layers and I did glue the back down, but I will definitely let you guys know when I reinstall what I think about it. And no cap, you will see that I didn't use a cap here, but that's because I wanted to see if it would last longer. I wanted to see how natural it would look. I wanted to see if it would make much of a difference at all. And so far it feels like it's gonna last longer and it feels just a little bit more comfortable. I did braid my hair straight back, moisturize, oil it, and I can put oil down into my hair, so that is going to help keep it safe. Also, to customize the wig, I didn't put makeup underneath the lace. I kind of wish I did. I generally don't because I feel like the oil from the makeup will help it to not last as long. But I think in the future, I'm going to try and see how it looks with makeup underneath the lace. And I'm also going to cut the edges of my wig back a little bit more, like I said a minute or so ago. But other than that, I really like this install. But as you'll see, I do go in and put makeup on top of the lace, and it helps to camouflage it for the most part, but I do feel like having the makeup underneath will really give it an even more natural look. I will probably be taking this off in the next day or so, even though it's up there pretty good. I'll definitely want to see if I can make it even better. Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Destiny here. I just want to come and make this video really quick because I've been getting a lot of questions on my other platforms about whether or not I'd ever come back to YouTube or to this channel. And a lot of people don't know that I do make content on my new channel. It's youtube.com/thegodlyglow. I do beauty there. I didn't want to do beauty here anymore for the reasons that I stated in my previous video. If you didn't get to see it, I kind of just feel like this channel got lost in the shuffle, kind of got thrown under the bus, is hidden from the radar because of the fact that it's such an old channel and had been flagged so many times for content matching when YouTube went through their whole new thing. I'm just doing this all to make the story very short. I have tried so many times to film this video. For those of you who were concerned, I do have new content on my new channel. For those of you who are not, I'm guessing you should not be here. I know this channel is under a huge transition, and I've been asked many times, would I, keep this channel? Would I do anything with it? A lot of people are asking for business advice, YouTube advice, filming advice, lighting. Many of you don't know, but I moved over to California from New York, so a lot of people want to know, how do you move? And just a lot of different things that I plan to make more vlogs and podcasts on this channel. And I just wanted to let you guys know, this video I wanted to share with you guys because I just did it and I wasn't even going to post it. I posted a short version of it on Instagram and I just wasn't going to post it because there's so many hair videos out, but I knew that I would get a lot of questions, and I have been getting a lot of questions, so I just wanted to show the process of this hair, and I just wanted to throw this in the end and have all of my platforms linked in the bottom bar below. I do fitness videos here on YouTube. That's youtube.com/ The Godly Body, and then my new channel, youtube.com/thegodlyglow. If you guys are interested, it'll all be below. If you guys are interested in this hair, that information will be linked below as well. I will put up the full video with the commentary and the tips and different things like that, because as I was going through the video I realized, oh, it's a pretty good video, it's a pretty good wig. I only wish I would have shaped this area a little bit more, but this area may be back a little bit. As I'm wearing it more and more, I'm realizing what I don't like about it and what I'll do better next time. But in all, you guys know that I generally really like Wow African wigs. So I just wanted to come and just drop that with you guys. A lot of you don't know, but some of my first videos here on YouTube were wig videos, wig making videos, cheap ways to do quick wigs, Rihanna wigs, Nicki Minaj, colorful hairstyles, different things like that. So I wanted to bring you guys something like that and just let you guys know that I'll be back. And I probably won't do many beauty videos on this channel like I said, but go ahead and subscribe to my new channel if you're interested, and I'll go ahead and let you guys go. Alright guys, so I want to thank you so much for commenting, rating, and subscribing. I'll be in touch and hopefully you'll do the same.